died on me. Getting busy in here. Getting this wiring wrapped up. This wiring nightmare. Oh man, it's not the easy. This is the part that most people run away from. Just because it's not easy. It's not the most desired part to do. I don't mind it. And yes, guys, I will be wrapping all this stuff up. Wire loom, snake skin, whatever you want to call it. All this stuff will be wrapped up. Just getting everything situated, make sure everything's going to work, make sure it's going to fire up the room. Then we will worry about making it look pretty. Ooh-wee. So here we go, guys. Still a little mess. Still a little messy. Got everything kind of where I somewhat want it routed for now. First mock up, get everything in there. Ready to got the ECU wiring running through there, running down to the ECU. I still have to loom all of that stuff. Getting it done. Gotta put all the wires back under the dash, the relay boxes, all of that. We got everything hooked up in this thing. I still got to pull this tachometer out, mount that one. Mount this guy here. This big boy here has got to get mounted up there. I got to remove that guy. Oil pressure gauge is in and working. AEM, everything seems to be working. Turn the key on. Oil pressure gauge goes 0. Back on it. We have oil pressure. So we got all of that. Everything seems to be working there. The only thing I need to do is add some fuel to it, man. See if we can get this thing fired up. We got a couple vacuum lines got to block off, but we're getting ready. We're almost there. Kind of lost GoPro battery. Didn't hear it, so I kind of wrapped a lot of this up, and you guys didn't get to see it, but you can see the pretty much almost next to finished. So I still have to wrap all this stuff in wire loom and get all that done. So now I got to get the fan and radiator mounted, get the back half on here so I can see where my fuel tank's going to sit, where my radiator's going to sit, so I can get my lines, my coolant lines, because here's one guy right down here. My goal with him was to come from here over and up, and then come up and then kind of put him into the radiator. And of course this guy's just a 90 up to the top side of the radiator, so that shouldn't be too bad there. All right, guys, let me get you set back up on there, and then we'll start pulling that tachometer out and get the coolant temperature gauge in. I gotta open that hole up a little bit. I'll get all that stuff done, and then we'll start putting the fuel tank on. We'll get that guy set up, move back, because we got to move the tank back because of the radiators going to be mounted in front of it. So, well, we'll see how that goes here in a second. We may end up mounting it behind it too. I've also thought about that, but we'll see when we get it up here, see if we want to move the fuel tank or leave it where it's at, and then we'll work on the radiator. All right, guys, come back in a second here and we'll get you on the tripod. like that, boys and girls. Lots happened. Hadn't been filming a whole lot. Here, cut some tabs off. So I'll try to get this radiator mounted up on here.
What do spirits say?